Pwede mo start. Yun, thank you, Busta. Pwede na po. Kabiya na lang po kayo dyan. Kabiya kayo. Kasali kayo kasali dito. Kapo kayo dyan, 10. Kabiya na lang kayo, bro. Tapos iba sa kabilahin dito. Silano. Ito na lang, Silano. Tatlo dito pala, Kilasol. Isa pa po. Isa pa. Surge. Dito. Wait na. 15 minutes po yan, 10 minutes change. May stats pa rin po yan. May stats pa din. Dos rest pa din. Dos rest. Pero 15 minutes yan. Mark. 2 points. 2-0. 14 minutes and 50 seconds. Ruel taking 3. No good. Rebound by Rain. Put back, no good. Rebound by Chapley. Two-zero pa rin. 3. No good. Rebound by number 0. Tuson. Intercepted by Jason. No good. Rebound by Chapley again. Kapas to Mark. No good pa rin. Rebound by Revel. Well, to Rain. Sa ilalim. No good. Rebound by Jason. No good. Rebound by Rain. Tumala ni Jason. Bakit? Alam mo? Out of bounds. Oh. 13 minutes and 24 seconds. Score 2-0. Taking 3. No good. Rebound by Unaw. Out of bounds. 13 minutes and 5 seconds. Lock. 12 minutes and 15 seconds. To number 0, taking low 2, no good. Rebound by John Makaili. Chapley, no good. Rebound by John. No good. Rebound by Urge. Intercepted by Mark. 2 points. Mark Makaili, 4-0. No good. Rebound by Jason. Out of bounds. Bola lang TV. Good ball. Urge. Pass to Rain. Back to Urge. Pass to number 0. Shot pass to Rain. Out of bounds. Bola lang TV. Good ball. Tubulaw. Pass to Jackie, no good. Rebound by Banares. 11 minutes 32.
Bakit? Bakit?
Steve Bamar. Mark. To Chaplin, taking three. Chaplin, Kama. 7-0. 7-0. Number 0, taking 2, no good. Out of bounds. Wala lang team A. To Mark, 2 points. Mark Kamaili. 9-0. 10 minutes and 45 seconds. Well, to Urge, taking 2 points. Urge the ball. Assist by Irvin. To Chaplin. Tubulaw, short jumper, no good. Rebound by Chaplin. It's clear by number 0. Well, taking 3. No good again. Out of bounds. Ball ng team A. Last possession before change. Last possession before change. Score 9-2. Oras 9 minutes and 53 seconds. Last possession before change. Tubulaw, alley play, no good. Rebound by Urge. Urge. We're green, no good. Rebound by Jason. 9-2 pa rin. Draw. Tubulaw. Is clear by number 0. 0. 9 minutes and 20 seconds. Son. Drop pass to Rain. No good. Rebound by John Makailig. Is clear kaya? John Makailig pa rin. Out of bounds. Game squared na po. Score 9-2. In favor of Team A. 9-2. Bro. Maulan. Next game ko bro. Score. Paano sobrang lambot ba? May bukol yan, isa. Ay, ikaw na lang, boss. Ano ba tao na lang, boss? Pinuwasan yan eh. Well, to Jason. Jason? To Well, short number. No good, rebound by Urge. Urge. 8-2 to Jason. No good, rebound by Chaplin. Pass to Mark, intercepted. Out of bounds. Ball na Team A. 8 minutes exactly. 9-2 pa rin. To Mark, no good. Rebound by Jason sa ilalim. Jason pa rin. Intercepted by Ray. Nakawala na si Jason din. No good. Rebound by Jan. To Jason. No good. Rebound by Chaplin. No good again. To Mark. No good. Rebound by Ray. To number 0. To Jason din. Short jumper. No good. Rebound by Ray. 2 points. Ray Banares. 9-4. Mark 2 points. Mark Kamaili. 11-4. 6 minutes and 56. 2 points. Well, Borja. 11-6. Aliyot pass to Munaw. 2 points. Munaw. 13-6. 13-6. Well, to Jason then. Oh, pass intercepted by Jason. Out of bounds. Wala, Imbi. Score 13-6 in favor of female. 6 minutes and 5 seconds. 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Well, to surge. Short cover, no good, rebound by Rain. Rain sa ilalim. 2 points. Rain Mangares. 13-8. 5 minutes and 46 seconds. Jan, 2 points. Jan Makaili. 15-8. Rain. Short cover, 2 points. Rain Mangares. 10-15-10. Turnaround shot by Rain Mangares. Mark, short cover 10. Wala. Rebound by Jacqueline. Jacqueline, foul. Foul by Momoy. Dalawa. 5 minutes and 14 seconds. Bolu, rebound by Rain. Intercepted by Dan. To Jacqueline, step back 3. No good, rebound by number 0. Steal by Munaw. Turnover. Double. 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Score 15-10. Tama ka team A. Bevel. Taking 3. No good. Rebound by Jacqueline. Nauna na si Mark. 2 points. Mark Makaili. 17-10. 4 minutes and 24. Jason. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Jason. 4 minutes and 17. Intercepted by Well. Nauna na si Rain. Nadakdak kaya. 2 points. Rain Mangares. 17-12. Assist by Weber. Jason ulit. 2 points. More than love. 14-17. Tatlo na po lamang. 17-14. Tatlo na lang po lamang. Tatlo na lang po. 3 minutes and 36. So Jason. Bro. Yeah bro. Next game kayo dyan. Next game. 3 minutes and 20. Shoutout kila Boy. Boy the Hindi. No good. Rebound by Rain. 2 points. Rain Mangares. Isa lang po lamang. 17-16. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Anong tawag? 17-16. Isa lang po lamang. Next game natin, Team C. Jacqueline taking 3. No good. Rebound by Omoy. 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 Parang mo by Omoy. 2 boys. Change people. 18-17. Omoy. Dala. No good. Rebound by Mark. Next game. No good? Ano na lang, apelido tapos jersey ko. 2 points! John Makaili! 19-18, James Raymond. 19-18, 0. Pass to Momoy. Pass to Rain. Short number na Rain. 2 points! James Raymond. Rain Mangares. 20-19. 2 points! Ruel Mora. lead. No good. Rebound by Lane. 22-19. Lamang na muna tatlo. Ang team B. Touch pass. Ang ganda pasa. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Boboy. Straight up. Two boys. Webel Mora. 24-19. 24-19. 1 minute and 20. No good. Rebound by number 0. Taking shot two. No good. Rebound by Jan Makaili. Jan. Pass to Jason. Jason.
Anong pwede pa sa
To Jan. No good. Rebound by Jan again. Jan naman wala. Rebound by Edge. 52 seconds. Steal by Bunaw. Wow! Number 2 by Bunaw. Bunaw! 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 21. Lamang na tatlo. Ang team B.
Sino mo kaya?
Kayo. 24 seconds. No good. 20 seconds. Ang tatlo. Team C. Charlie taking 3. Last 10 seconds. Deadlock on 24. Still 5 seconds. 3 seconds. 2. Oh, hindi ko nakita dahil nasa house ako. Ano tayo? 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Last 3 seconds. May tumawag ba? All 24. Tumawag ba? 3 seconds. Tumabak. Sabi ni sir, nakita niya. 3 seconds. All 24. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. 3 seconds ha. Pag-hands-off, start na ng bilang. 2, 1. Overtime, 1 minute. Basta po. Overtime po ng 1 minute. Basta po. Good ball. Ganda na ako, first game pa lang. Short number. Si Momoy wala. Rebound kay Bunaw. To Jason. 15 seconds. Jason, no good. Rebound by Jan. No good again. Rebound by Momoy. To number 0. Steal by Jan. To Jackie. 35 seconds. Tapos to Mark. 2 points. Mark Makaili. James Pino. 26-24. 23 seconds. 26-24. 23 seconds. 23 seconds. Basket by Makaili. Green. No good. Rebound by number 0. 19 seconds. Wow. 15 seconds. Ang score, 26-24. No good. Rebound by Rain. Short number. 2 points. Number 0. 10 seconds. Get up. 7 seconds. 3 seconds. Wow. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. 3 seconds left. 3 seconds. 3 seconds left. 2, 1. Overtime ulit. Deadlock on 26. 1 minute. Overtime. Sa po. Start na po. Ang ganda naman. 2 konti na agad. Shockley taking 3. To Seal. No good. 3 more by Moy. Moy. Ay pamadali. Intercepted by Bunaw. To Mark. 14 seconds. Jason. Short number. No good. 3 more by Out of bounds. Buena. 28 seconds left. 28 seconds. 27 seconds. Taking 3. 22 seconds. Pull down. 29, 26. 22 seconds left. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 13 seconds. Foul. 10 seconds left. 10 seconds. Lamang na tatlo ang Team A. Lamang na tatlo. 29, 26. 29, 26. 29, 26. Edge. 9 seconds. 6 seconds. 3 seconds. 2, 1. And the ball game. Ang ganda na lamang first game. Mga kamayan with the score of 29-26. Next game po. Team C versus Team D.
Ano ba nga na nakasama mo? Yuri. May ano ba nga na kuya mo? Rico.
Meron ba po hindi naglaro dyan? Meron pa po? Bukod sa Team D. Team D, Radin D, number 7, Magday, 05. Basantes, number 17, Mendoza, number 6. Lagatino, number 0. Meron pa po hindi naglalaro dyan? Lahat pa naglaro na?
Ano ka na, boss Lee? Ano dyan? Ano dyan?